All right, hello. I'm going to document one more video on where these wires are since I got the board to be kind of coming out of here now, of the radio. This white wire here is going to this little hacky capacitor thing right there on one side of it. And this wire, whoa, the orange wire, goes into a resistor. Where's the white wire go? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just cut the white wire and tape it or something. Okay, it goes down there. Anyway, that's about all that's left in this big plug to get this board to come out. So, bear with me. I just want to document this in case I screw it up later by not paying attention. You don't want to screw it up, right? So that's how this goes. This will be for people who try and do this in the future, if they even try. I'm sure somebody will do it. And repair the relays. All right, I gotta get the big plug out. And that's about it. And then maybe work with the board tomorrow when I have more energy. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching. FT-102 here. Kind of a bear of a radio, right? This one is all apart now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And it's all because of this damn relay down here. These stupid relays ruin my day. Have a nice day.